Hi Bruce, how are you?
Very good. I'm doing very good.
How is life in Florida?
Life in Florida has been great.
All right. And how long have you lived there?
I've lived here for 20 years now. We moved here in the year 2000, and we've been here 20 years already.
And what do you do for fun?
For fun, I like to go on bike rides with my family, kayaking, and I like to go surfing.
How long have you surfed?
I've been surfing since I was 12 years old.
What's the biggest problem you've ever had?
One time I had a big problem in the ocean. There was a big shark in between me and the beach when I was coming in, and I couldn't go in. I had to paddle back out and then go down the beach to try to lose the shark.
I see. And what's the most extreme situation you've ever
The
had?
most extreme situation I ever had was once on a surf trip in Panama. There was a lot of rocks and jagged coastline, and there was one small spot to come in and out of, and I missed the spot and I got washed up on the rocks and got my hands and feet all cut up.
Did you ever think you were gonna die?
I never thought I was going to die, but I did know I was going to get some cuts and bruises on me.
That must have been very hard.
How's life in Brazil, Aguinaldo?
Oh, life here is pretty good, thanks.
Well, it's been nice talking to you. Bye-bye.
Same here. Goodbye, and I see you soon.